Okay, family, I wanted to give you a live update on the smoker grill. This is the prototype. We just got the door assembly on this one. We still got a few things to do, but we got it like we want it though. Still got to put the handle, and we still got to put the deal in the center to control the smoke, but it turns out real well. This is a 1/4 inch, fam. So this is thick. This ain't no itty bitty pit. You're gonna be able to smoke something with this. And also you'll be able to pass this down for some generations, like to your kids and their kids, and probably their kids too. Depends on where you have it located in your facility at your house. But this is gonna be a smooth, very nice and modern smoker grill. You're gonna really be able to turn the everyday Joe that likes to cook into a professional chef. So hopefully it will be promoted in the area. We are in Springdale, Arkansas, and this is Carbon Design. So make sure you visit them on the website, carbondesigns.com. And if you purchase one of these, make sure you use code yourweldingcoach. I help design this product, helping putting everything together. So I'm one of the people that help develop the prototype. So we're gonna get it together how it needs to be, and so that way we can duplicate this process and make these faster, better, and more modern and reliable. So we want to come up with a neat product, and I really believe that's what we did with this one. I really like the way it's lined out. I was surprised, honestly. I didn't know how it was gonna turn out, but we still got some things to do. That frame is actually just a jig. It's sitting on, it's actually just floating on there, so that way we could build the cylinders up, the barrels up right. Because I had to weld this on. Everything had to be assembled. All I had was this ring. Then I had to cut this out. I had to weld this in, cut that out, fit this up, cut it so it can offset. I had to cut maybe an inch off of it to get that offset, and then hold it up at the same time while we was doing it. Then I had to come in here and weld this whole bottom end under there. That was like serious. And so there's a lot of different assembling parts to this grill, but once it get done, I really think it's gonna be a real neat product. These are custom hinges too. Hinges that they design, so that way, you know, when you're looking up a lot of these smokers, they have a standard. So we wanted to actually make something that is completely custom. So when you purchase this smoker grill, or even the Star City smoker, or the coal, all of those on the website, and I help with the design of the coal, the Star City grill, and whatever they're gonna call the smoker here. But they wanted to make it look more modern, because you see certain grills out and they like a dime a dozen, but when it comes to the style of it, how long it'll last, and how it looks, I think that's where Carbon Design come in, and they hit a home run, because they really pay attention to detail when it comes to building their furniture. And if you're gonna get someone to build you something, you want someone that pays attention to detail, and they want it to work right, and they want it to be right and look right. So it's a win-win situation networking with Carbon. So I just wanted to give them a shout out. Today is actually my last day with the company. It has been a pleasure. They have really helped me out, helped me grow. They added a new chapter to my journey, and I appreciate that. I appreciate what they done, what they helped me do, and be able to get in my son's life. So working here opened up a door so I can have a stronger relationship with my son. Now I'm gonna be moving into Fort Smith, Arkansas, working for American Welding Laboratories and being their welding instructor there. And my goal is to get my hog on there and help them grow, and be able to have a stronger relationship with my son, and be able to help people in the area learn the welding process, how to fabricate, how to weld, all processes, and also how to get jobs, and how to stay motivated, and how to build themselves up. There's so much we need to learn, and I'm thankful and grateful for the opportunity to be able to be a mentor as well to a lot of the students and people that's coming through the Fort Smith location. So if you are Fort Smith area or surrounding, and you can get into the city to sign up for the welding competition, I will most definitely recommend that. That's coming soon. And if you're trying to gain some skills, sign up, family, sign up. Fort Smith, Arkansas, American Welding Laboratories. I will be starting there this spring, starting March the 17th. Be blessed, continues to prosper, and I appreciate all the support, fam. Hold on.